Hey guys, it's Ruby from Ruby's Zoo, and today I wanted to show you that I got a birthday present, and this is my birthday present. So his name's Nico. He's a cockatiel, and he's just my buddy. Stuck right on my finger. He's 6 weeks old. We got him a week ago, and he's a really fast learner. Like when I first got him, he wouldn't even step up on anyone's finger, and now go like this. Nico, you better do it now. I'm recording you. Good boy. So yeah, he's great bird. Hang on. Got him from a breeder, so we didn't get him from a pet shop or anything. We got him from a great breeder that takes good care of her birds. Good boy. And his face is a little messy. That's because of what he eats. I still have to hand feed him because he's still a baby. He'll be weaned at around 10 or 12 weeks old, and he's only 6 weeks old, so got another 6 weeks left, probably until he's 100% weaned. But yeah, he'll sit on my shoulder. Don't you, buddy? Chai is scared of him. She's scared of everything. Look, buddy. Oh, it's okay, Chai. I'm sorry. Good girl. She's like, I hate you. Very sweet birdie, huh? Nico. Say hi, guys. I'm gonna teach him how to talk, actually. He's already, like, makes noises when I talk to him, like right then. He talks back to me. But he'll give kisses. Can you give them a kiss? You're not gonna do it, are you? You little stinker. He'll kiss the camera and he'll kiss me, so it's so cute. So, come on, buddy. Say hi, Nico. Say hi, pretty boy. What are you doing, dude? What are you doing? Give yourself a kiss? Kiss? Oh, that's so sweet. He's already learning the word kiss already, so. Oh, get up on my finger. Get on. Good boy. But yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys my new pet bird. Actually, he's not my pet, he's my buddy. You're my buddy, huh? I've wanted a cockatiel for a long time. But, yeah. Okay, thanks for watching. He'll dance. It is so adorable. Can you dance? Dance? You want to see yourself again, huh? Hi, Nico. Kiss? Oh, that's so sweet. It is so sweet. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. And, I'll see you guys later. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me this video a thumbs up, please. And subscribe to my channel. I've got, like, I don't even know. I think I have, like, 80 pets. Or 80 family members, actually. Wanna get on the couch? Me and Nico are gonna watch some TV together, aren't we? Can you get off my finger, please, bud? There we go. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you guys want to see more of Nico and his antics. This is hungry. You hungry? Can you give the camera a kiss before you go? Kiss? Please? You're being mean. They're sad. They want a kiss. I'm just joking. Anyway, guys. There we go. That was nice. Kiss, 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 kiss. That was so sweet. Alright, guys. See you later. Bye. Say bye, Nico. Bye.